go to Chrome and type facebook.com. You click here. The default is mobile. My internet is slow. It has to be it. When you go there, the default will be this, but click here and type and click this, check this, request desktop site, and from there it will be here, and click here, this one, setting. Internet is too slow. From here, click setting and see general account settings. The username is there. Mine is already set. It is http www.devras.mayanglambam. You see it is saying your username should include your authentic name. I will not change it, so you put a very nice looking one. Thank you.